Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'll talk about a vitamin C serum. And I have tried so many vitamin C serums, so I know what to expect from them and what not to expect from them. So first, what I expect. I want my vitamin C to give me glowing, healthy skin. Secondly, I want it to work on dark spots, pigmentation, uneven skin tone. Thirdly, I want the formulation to be effective, potent, yet gentle. I want it to take care of my skin barrier. I want the formulation to be stable. And now, what I don't expect from a vitamin C serum, I don't want it to come in a transparent bottle or container for the intricity of the formulation. Secondly, I don't want my vitamin C serum to be sticky, greasy, heavy because this is a serum I'm gonna use every day. So I want the texture to be good. Thirdly, I don't want it to make my skin dry. I have used vitamin C serums before that made my skin really dry. I don't want that from the formulation. So when I started using WishCare Super Bright C16 vitamin C serum, I had all these things going in my head. As I'm talking to you right now, I have used it for more than a month. So let me share my experience with you. First, the packaging. Well, it cannot get better than this. It has palm packaging, very convenient to use. It is not transparent. The formula is not getting exposed to light. It is so easy to use with the pump application and easy to travel. I really like this one. Thumbs up for the packaging. Now about the formulation. So if you see the ingredients list, the first ingredient is water, which is a solvent. Then it has propylene glycol, butylene glycol, which can work as emollient, which means it can nourish your skin. It also has glycerin, which is a humectant, which can hydrate your skin. When it comes to vitamin C, it has ethyl ascorbic acid and ascorbic acid. It actually has 10% of vitamin C. It also has ferulic acid, which can boost the efficacy of vitamin C. It has aloe vera extract to soothe and hydrate. Other than vitamin C, it also has more brightening ingredients like niacinamide, licorice root extract. It has butyrosinol. These things work together to brighten up your skin, work on pigmentation. It also has cica, hyaluronic acid to soothe and hydrate. Hydroxyethyl cellulose and xanthan gum work as thickener. It has phenoxyethanol and ethyl acetylglycerin as preservative. Neopentyl glycol diheptanoid gives this product a silky finish. This serum is fragrance free and doesn't have any added colors. So you can say this is all-rounded, no nonsense formulation. Now the texture. The serum is extremely lightweight, doesn't feel heavy, sticky. My skin absorbs it really fast. It is lightweight yet hydrating. I have mentioned before that there are vitamin C serums that made my skin dry and dehydrated. This one did not do that. It works really good under moisturizer, sunscreen, makeup, doesn't cause any peeling. This is a serum I love to use every day. Now the performance. So this is how my skin looked when I just started using the serum. My skin was feeling dry, dehydrated, and I was having pigmentation from breakouts. Actually, I was traveling and I think it was not suiting my skin, so it took a toll on my skin. And this is the second week and you can see the pigmentation has reduced, but the roughness of my skin was still there, but it went away with the third week. You can see my skin looks visibly better. The pigmentation, the dark spot, they have reduced a lot. My skin was feeling healthy, glowy, and this is my skin fourth week and I could see really good results. My pigmentation is almost gone. My skin didn't feel dry or dull. Just healthy skin, which I like. I saw improvement in texture, but I have to stress one thing. If you're only using vitamin C and not supporting the product with a well-rounded routine, efficacy would be hampered. If you're using vitamin C serum and not using a sunscreen that can protect your skin against UV lights, then you're not doing justice. If you're not cleansing your skin properly, not keeping your skin clean, you're gonna get clogged pores, which can lead to breakouts. So you have to build one healthy skincare routine to support your vitamin C so it can work at its full potential. Truly, this is one of the best serums I've used this year. From texture to formulation to efficacy, this shines bright. If you have pigmentation, dull skin, uneven skin tone, or even rough textures, I think it's gonna help you. I really love and recommend this one. This is a really good vitamin C serum. And yeah, if you have used it, let me know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for being there. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask me in the comments box. I'm gonna be seeing you very soon then. Bye bye.